Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading your audio into Audacity. Open the file or drag it in. Once the waveform appears, look at the project rate in the lower left and the sample rate shown beside the track. You must decide the target HZ, for example 44,100 for CD quality, 48,000 for video. Make that choice now. You do this first because changing rate later impacts resampling quality and file size, so pick an appropriate value and proceed to the next step. Now change the sample rate for either the track or the whole project. If you want only one track altered, click the track name, choose Set Rate, and pick the target HZ. If you need the entire session changed, set the project rate in the bottom left. Exports will use that value. Once done, Audacity will resample as needed. Make sure multiple tracks match. Otherwise, you can resample each track manually to avoid sync or quality issues during mixing or export. Finish by resampling and exporting correctly. Select a track and use Tracks Resample to force that track to the chosen HZ, which gives more control than project-level changes. Then export via File Export and confirm the sample rate in the export dialog so your file writes at the intended HZ. Play the exported file to verify audio quality. If you hear artifacts, make sure you kept the original backup. Resample again with a higher rate or use a different interpolation setting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.